UsPlus Build, coming to you with another quick video. And this is what happened. Opened the garage door this morning, and all of a sudden I heard this funny noise. I got inside, I closed it, and look at the closing motion. And surprise, surprise, my garage door skin is separating. So what do I do? Well, this is UsPlus Build, and we do this. Ran over to the Home Depot, bought these 8 feet long 2-inch aluminum strap. Did the cutouts for the door stabilizer, the door arm. Punch some holes inside. I think these are like what? These are 1/4 inch, or probably like about 3/8 bolts. Yeah, 3/8. So I got these 3/8 bolts and washers, and this these straps are 8 feet long, and I sank some holes into them. Got my easy grips. I'm going to line them up along here, and then I'm going to punch the holes and stable this bad boy up and call it a day. Show you what it looks like when it's done. UsPlus Build. Keep watching this space. Hold for more videos. And there it is. Garage door repair completed. So I think I have to put 2 more. I didn't have enough bolts. I have to put one here for the main support of this pull arm. All right, UsPlus Build. You know what it is. Keep watching this space. You know what we do. Hi, cancel my garage door replacement appointment, please. Thank you.